everyone. Welcome back to Chipper and Sons Lumber Co. Now, I have no idea still what the heck is going on, except that this green thing in his hand is a watering can. I found that out just now. Well, the last video anyway, I forgot to tell you. So, let's continue. Slot 1. Hello again. Oh, God. Task of course. Oh my goodness. Oh, God. Yeah, I know what I'm supposed to be doing. Protecting the trees. Serving the world. Something I don't even need to do. Listen, I get it, okay? Hi there. Weird bird thingy. How many sticks do I need? Okay, let's grow a tree. Let's go. How many sticks do you need? How many sticks you need? Get out of here, get out. Go away, leave. Okay, I got a duck. Okay. Let's keep going. Okay, that's back. Go away. I see. Oh, I got a stick. What the heck? Why not? Okay. Bonnie? Chica? No, wait, that's Chica, and that's someone else. I don't know who. There's a lot of Chicas around here. Hey, put me down. I don't want to talk to you. Oh, yay, I got something. Okay, I'm back here. What the heck is it? Hey. Hello. Hello? Well, that guy's really rude. Well, I have to call him later. Oh, got a stick. Have any of you got a stick? How many sticks does I need? I need about 56. 52. Yo, just gotta sit there and wait. Got this down. Okay, I still have this nut. The green nut. Not that whale gave us. Jump it down. Why can't it just rain? Oh yeah, I got something. Oh God. I don't have to listen to you if I don't want to. God, person I still don't trust. I really don't trust him. Okay, get the buzzing. Got some mushrooms. Some of these things look very familiar. When as many as they do. I just don't know what though. How many sticks does this guy need? Oh, we need to go back to our place. Okay, got some more sticks. Well, we're collecting a lot of sticks. Hello there. Take all of them. All. Go. With all your trees, does. We're gonna chomp all these down now, okay? Okay, I'm trying my best to not get rid of the seed. What am I supposed to be doing? Why are you up there, bird? Go, move it. Oh, you finally have enough sticks. No, just skip. Oh yeah, we got them coins. Okay, what? The termites. What were we told not to do? So let's go back to our thing. God, there's the mini game again. This thing's really all going to annoy me. Hello, whoever the heck you want, you guys don't know me. Who? How? I still don't trust him though. Chop the wood. Plants. Build. How much lumber do I need? I haven't got enough of the wood. I got mail. Okay. Great job, Tiny. Knew you could do it. Yeah, past that I almost died. Sure, the watering pot makes you a little dizzy. But, oh god. No, just stop it. I only have small hand. Later that night. Why are you dating a crab? I have to walk my life. I was very selfish. Oh, I get it, selfish. Now I have it up. Hello. I need more rich wood. No, go away. God. Oh, yeah, he said we had another plate. Almost forgot to clean it up. Okay, that's new, I think. Right, back. Oh, God. I take all this, please. All the lumber. Why do I need to kill these things for pots or something? Okay, because more rich wood. What? I thought there was something on there. To be honest. There isn't now, but I swear there was something there. Okay, let's just keep going. Gee, how do those things even spawn? I saw you there trying to chomp my tail off. God. Why can't I even just... How many of these guys do you want me to build? Okay, we haven't even got any moss. What is moss? Tick and tick. Ah, look out! These things! I'm coming back. What is happening? Okay, that. This. Okay, got some more moss wood. Why do I even need mossy wood? You don't take mossy wood? Oh my gosh, how many times do I have to kill these guys? Do I not have enough mossy wood? I think I have. My god, how many guys are you? Oh, there, you. Wait, let's go down here again. I'm like, can you hit the Is this on my oh, yeah, a bunch of bullets. Whatever the heck you are. We are. Oh, yeah, in the last episode, I was talking. Oh, what do you want? Hello, small. Yeah. Okay. Oh, see. It's a deal. What is happening? I don't get it. What the heck is happening? Move faster. We died. Okay, we got a lumber for dying. Why are you looking at a telescope anyway? And why are you up there? Gee, I swear that those guys are going fast. What? You only want rich wood. Do not want any mossy wood. Because I have a lot of... Oh my gosh. Tick, don't. All these guys give me... Like, oh. All you guys give me is like sea stuff. And would you stop giving me a smelly boot? Okay, let's just keep going. Got some more wood. Hello there. Yeah, I know what I'm supposed to be doing. Hello, chica. Give me your stuff. Let's go back to that. Ah! Why do I even... I only have 3 things. What the heck is that? What are you guys? Wait, you can't go that way. I'll end the video here, guys. Like and subscribe. Oh, what did I get? Oh, not plans. I got another Tinky Bird. Okay, I have some pond stuff. Why exactly do those birds even want? Okay, after the birds. Hold on. What do you guys want? Why do you have Chica everywhere? Thanks, now let me down. Gosh. Well, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!